ZBCN, Zebec token right now sitting at prices that I feel like are massive steal, guys. I think this project is going to do extremely well in the next couple months. We are going to bottom out in crypto, and when the bull market recovers, this is going to be one of my top performing altcoins and one of your top performing altcoins if you hold on to this. Now, again, this video is never financial advice. Nothing that you see here on this channel ever is. I've been in the market since 2017. I've learned a couple things, and I'm here to kind of relay that information onto you guys. So stay until the end. If you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button. With that being said, let's get straight into today's video. We are covering ZBCN token right now. All-time chart here. Ever since it got listed on CoinMarketCap, down about 12.25%. In the last year, down 14%. On the monthly, down 17. There are very few cryptos out there right now that are actually performing well on the monthly. Notable ones to mention right now are Aerodrome. I made a video about it just before this, guys, and you should definitely check it out because Aerodrome is a really good decentralized exchange. A layer 2 built on base on a layer that's built on a layer 2 such as base, and I think it's going to go on to do really well as it serves a main purpose, and that main purpose is being the liquidity provider for the base ecosystem and starting to expand onto that. And in the same way, Zebec started off by only being inside the Solana chain, but they're now kind of growing and expanding their services over to things like Stellar, right? They're moving just off of the Solana chain, and they're getting bigger, and they're also getting better. And at $220 million market cap, I am just led to believe that these guys are severely undervalued. Their last unlock happened in March of 2026, and ever since that has happened, Zebec tokenomics have been phenomenal. They are deflationary, right? And the ZBCN token is definitely needed for the ecosystem to thrive, because one question that I always ask people who bring up crypto projects to me, one of the biggest questions that I have is, hey, is the token needed? Is the success of that token necessary for the success of the project? And with ZBCN, it definitely is, because ZBCN has this entire ecosystem where people are able to go in, use credit cards to spend money, to save money, to earn ZBCN. They're able to stake their ZBCN tokens, and they're able to get their payroll streamed in ZBCN or in some type of stablecoin, and Zebec token is definitely needed in that sense. And they're only going to start continuing to grow and get better, guys. The founder, Simon, he's been on a lot of different spaces. He's had massive contacts. He's worked with Google, potentially with YouTube, guys. You're going to have some massive collaboration that could come down the line, as he's been in and out of the Google headquarters, which is absolutely massive. He's been in and out of the Ripple headquarters, right? Massive partnerships happening with Ripple, with XRP. And it doesn't just stop there. Zebec is always growing and expanding. We also had this over on here. Zebec is now listed on Facet. For the past 4 years, Zebec has been focused on simple but important challenge, improving how money moves. From real-time payroll to debit cards and payment infrastructure, Zebec is building products designed to connect blockchain technology with everyday financial activity. While innovation in finance often focuses on new products, some of the biggest opportunities remain with the underlying infrastructure. Cross-border payments continue to become expensive and slow. Payroll systems still rely on outdated processes. Zebec's approach has been to address these challenges by building infrastructure for a more connected financial system. The company has raised $35 million from leading industry investors and continues to scale its ecosystem while serving real-world asset use cases across multiple markets. It's super cool to see that they are still being listed on different types of exchanges. I'm not 100% sure what Facet is. The fastest growing neobank built fully on-chain. Facet is the new operating system for global finance, trusted by over 2 million users. That's actually pretty freaking cool. You love to see it. Now, guys, one thing I will say is Zebec is one of my biggest holdings, and it's a project that I talk about and that we cover inside of the Inner Circle. If you don't know what that is, the Inner Circle is my private Discord community where there are members like this who have made 20K inside of a month. There's other members such as this guy over here. Shout out to DMJR, who made 25K in 2 months. And then shout out to this guy over here who turned his last $10 inside of our Discord that he has had to over 5K in just 3 weeks. Now, this is not financial advice. Past profits do not guarantee future results, but it just goes to show you, guys, the value of being inside a community. And it doesn't just stop there, guys, because just look at all the testimonials that we have had. If I'm able to find it over here. Let me see. We've had hundreds of testimonials on screen. You guys can see here. Past profit don't guarantee future results. But if you guys do want to be a part of this amazing community, get all of my buy and sell calls, exclusive content. Not just that, guys, but also get access to exclusive live streams that we do every single Wednesday. You need to be a part of the inner circle. $49.99 a month. If you use the code 25 off, you literally get 25% off. So click the link down below and I'll see you guys inside of there. So with that being said, let's keep going here. ZBCN will catch so many people off guard. Real-time streaming payroll on Stellar plus RLUST Enterprise Rails. ISO 20022 compliant multi-chain agentic AI economy payments undervalued at $300 million market cap versus a trillion scale infrastructure. A violent repricing is coming. Now, I'll be transparent and honest with you guys. I'm probably going to dollar cost average into ZBCN token at the current range that it is in because, again, it is sitting at a really good support area. And the support area is one that we have been holding since about February of this year. Now, one thing I will say, guys, is June, July is going to show us signs of strength, right? We're in July right now. These are months that we are going to see signs of strength in the crypto markets. But come August, September, October, we are going to see a massive correction towards the downside. We're going to see the prices drop a little bit more because the cycles are still intact. And for anyone that says they aren't, tell them to go look through history because we've seen this time and time again. Now, on that note, guys, I will see you in the next video. Hope you guys did enjoy. As always, remember, this is not financial advice. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, guys, and peace out.